This video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this collapsible folding camp chair slash maybe fishing chair. What I'm doing today, I have my fishing rod here. I'm out here on a small little creek and it is very cold today, but you know what? This chair has a feature on it that will help combat the coldness. And what it is, this is a heated chair. It heats both the bottom and the back. And I'm going to show you how this thing works. Number one, it comes in this package right here. So it's got a nice little package. It can be used as a kind of a backpack. You can put these straps around you, or you could just hold it like this. And it has the, you know, drawstring right here. Here's the actual name of the chair. Just called a heated camp chair. How about that? Chair support. I like it that the package is actually big enough to hold the chair. How about that? Let's take it over here and set it up. And it actually got these wider feet, so it works pretty good in sand. But check this out. So it has a little foldable down drink holder. You just plug in the power bank like there. You see I'm at 100%. And as soon as I plugged it in, actually this power bank is sized perfectly for this. Well, it needs to be a little smaller. How about that? Hold that down. And the red is on. I don't know how well you can see it in the camera, but there's red, there's blue, and there's green. Let's go back to red. We're gonna let this red set up for a little bit, but you can see how the arms are padded right here. It's more of a vertical type chair, so it's more of an upright. It has a back right here where you can put a lot of stuff in the back. I like the fact that they included the cord that goes around. You can put your cell phone, random stuff in this side. I can put a lot of fishing lures and all that in there. And here is the back. The one that says back, you can see it's red. You can go blue, green. I'll throw up the temperatures on the screen now of what the red, the blue, and the green are, because I think it's, I don't want to be wrong on that. I think it's like 140 for the red, maybe 120 or something blue, and then the green's like 105. So it's different types of temperatures on that. I do like the fact that they give you the option to take this little thing right here off. And here's a power bank that can kind of go down in there. It zippers up. You don't have to go as big a power bank as what I'm going, but I do like the fact that they broke it down between the seat and the back. So that way you're not heating all of the seat and back, because a lot of times you just want the bottom to be warm and not the back, so you know, get to save your battery a little bit. But overall construction of the chair, I like the looks of the chair. Very well constructed, fits nicely. Sitting in it, you know what, sitting in it right here, that feels pretty good. Oh, I'm already feeling it. I'm feeling it more along the bottom of my legs right here. So it's kind of hard to like pinpoint exactly where, but right now I'm feeling it very warm here and very warm right there. And it's starting to warm this area up right here. And just sitting in it, you know, overall sitting in it, I can sit in it, I can fish, I can cast out of it. I had no issues at all with this chair. I really like it a lot, and it looks very premium. You know what, this is something, you know, just by itself, it's still a really solid chair, even without the heating features. So you can use this year round. It's not going to be just a wintertime chair. But the fact that you're out watching a ball game, you're like me, you're out fishing like this, you want to keep your bum a little warm and your back, this is something I highly recommend. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, you know, the heated chair, two-part heated chair, seat and back. See you on the next video.